Hey guys, what's up? My name Wolf Thunder for here for today, guys. Now I am watching on NCIS. It's a really good show of mine for you guys because I know you guys are going to like this because this is Wolf Pack Part 5 for today, guys. Now, I know today is a Monday because I know you guys don't like me either. And guess what? I will play on for real games for you guys. I will play on Injustice 2 and Immortal Kombat for you guys. See you guys later. Smash the like button. See you guys later. I will post some new videos just for you guys. I see you guys for a upload, post, and notification. And see you guys later. Yeah, Thunder Zone.